Oh, Josie, you're taking your shoes off. Why are you doing that, honey? You're taking your shoes off. Are you saying hi? Are you having fun with your shoe? You're being a, what would we call it, a ham. Josie's being a ham. Did you have a good day today? Josie, did you have a good day today? What'd you do today? What'd you do today? Can you tell the camera what you did? Do you want another apple? Okay. More apple? More apple? Okay, more apple. Here's more apple. Oh, let me hand it to you. What do you say? What do you say? You're welcome. Those are great manners. Camera? A good Josie laugh? Ha ha ha.